In this video, I'll guide you through how to change an icon on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's look or simply update an outdated design, changing an icon is a straightforward process, and I'm here to help you do it efficiently. First, let's navigate to your Squarespace site and locate the section where you'd like to change the icon. Once you're there, head to the top right corner of the section. You'll see an option labeled Edit Content. Clicking this will open up the editing interface, which is where the magic happens. This step is crucial because it allows us to access all the customizable elements within that section. Now, with the editing interface open, you'll want to direct your attention to the Content tab. This is your control center for managing text, images, and media on your page. Within this tab, look for the specific item or icon you wish to change. It might take a moment to find if you have a lot of content, but don't worry, take your time to scroll through and locate the exact media piece you're interested in updating. Once you've selected the icon you don't want to change, it's time to replace it. Now, to do this, first, you'll need to delete the old icon. Simply click on the icon and look for a delete or remove option. This will allow you to remove the existing graphic and make way for your new one. It's a bit like clearing out the old to make room for the new. Just be sure you're certain about deleting it, as this action cannot be undone. However, you can always re-upload the original if needed. Now that the old icon is out of the way, it's time to upload your new graphic. Find the upload button or the area that allows you to add media. Click it, and a dialog box will open, prompting you to select a file from your computer. Choose the new icon file you've prepared and upload it. Make sure your new icon is in a compatible format, such as JPEG or PNG, and that it's appropriately sized to fit well within your design layout. A good rule of thumb is to keep your icon simple and clean for the best visual impact. After uploading, give your page a quick preview to ensure the new icon fits well with the overall design and layout. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and save your changes. Simply look for the Save or Publish button, typically located at the top or bottom of the editing interface. This ensures that your new icon is visible to everyone visiting your site. And that's it. You've successfully changed an icon on your Squarespace site. This small update can make a big difference in how your site is perceived, keeping it fresh and engaging for your visitors. Remember, you can always revisit these steps whenever you need to update other icons or media on your site. Thanks for following along, and happy customizing.